Well, good evening, everyone. This is a relatively quick video. These wiper blades are starting to wear out a little bit. If you look down here, it's starting to split. So I decided to use the Nissan OEM ones because of the way the mounting bracket's set up. And I had these been on the car for 7 years, so I figured that's a very decent lifespan before they start wearing out. So thought we'd go ahead and basically pull up on a tab here, and they should just back right out. There we go. And just to confirm that these are the same length, I did pick them up from the dealer directly, so maybe some back and forth if I should have gone to a department store like a Walmart or Target to pick up a set or get something like another brand. But I think, like I said, I had very good luck with the OEM, so I'm gonna just stick with that. Might have paid a little bit more, but I think in the end it's kind of worth it. Let's see here. Remove the cover, drop it back down, and there we go. No muss, no fuss. Very easy. Passenger side one's a little shorter, but should be the same process. So just a quick little tutorial on changing out the wiper blades on a 2014 7th Gen Maxima. Thanks, everyone.